Happy freaking Friday. Thank God it's the weekend. It has just been a crazy week over here. I posted yesterday just kind of how I'm kind of losing my sanity this week, and it's just been a lot. Just the flip and working full time and, you know, also trying to be a good mom and all that. Sometimes it's just a bit much. I've decided that, like, with the flip, it's been really hard to work on the flip and then come home after a long day of working and then edit videos for stories and then trying to edit reels. It's too much. So that's why I've just like not really been sharing much of the flip. Progress has been great and we've had our heads down and we've been just grinding it out, and I will share all of it with you. We've been over there nonstop working. I have like paint on my hands, as you can see. Painting a lot of stuff, and countertops were installed yesterday, which means I can do backsplash. Now we're building a vanity today for one of the bathrooms, which means I can do backsplash in there. We've been working in the laundry room. It's honestly just all starting to come together and look really, really good. So
it's just a story stick, so it just shows you where the center of the window is, where the edge of the window is, where the edge of the cabinet is, and it's butted up against the wall.
Noah is a boss, and he knocked out all of the tile today. This tile was kind of a pain. Just a lot of like random weird cuts, like here, and then obviously going up against the window. Those were all some tiny cuts, but it looks so good. So now we just have to wait a day and then we'll be able to grout it. So next up, I'm going to start to lay the backsplash in the downstairs bathroom. I'm doing this green tile and I'm just gonna do it stacked on top of each other. So it'll just be a pattern like this and then keep repeating. These are a 16th spacers that will go in between each one. So like very, very fine grout lines. This space is so tight, so I don't know how much of this I'm gonna be able to record, but I just wanted to show we have it marked out for exactly where the tile is going to go. I mean, the biggest thing when you're doing tiling is you want to make sure that when you're doing an opening like this, that you have the same size cuts on either side. And then obviously you want to figure out what your center is. So we went ahead and marked all of that out. So I know, for instance, this tile is going to line up right here. I need to make sure it stays flush on that line, and then this is level here. Then we have a piece of Schluter that's just going to go right here on this lip. And then we'll make some cuts that these will go flat and then continue with that pattern up. And then the last thing, after I set all of this center, we're gonna go back and rip down these tiles and do the sides. That's it.